Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Lauren, and I miss you guys so much, so I came back to our old classroom so that I could do a cool experiment with you guys today. This experiment is called Humpty Dumpty. Have you guys ever heard of Humpty Dumpty? It's a rhyme and it goes like this. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. So this week, since we're kind of talking about Easter and we're getting ready for maybe the Easter bunny to come and bring us some eggs, I've got a cool egg experiment today, and we're going to call it the Humpty Dumpty experiment. So I've got some raw eggs. That means that this egg hasn't been cooked, it's just normal. And this egg, see, it has a B on it for boiled. When you boil an egg, it makes it super hard. So in our experiment today, we're going to see what happens if we put 2 eggs up, one boiled and one not, and we tip them over. Do you think it'll crack? Do you think they'll both crack or just one? We'll have to see. If our hard-boiled egg is hard enough, we'll get to see if it will crack from way up high or if it'll be too hard and it won't crack at all. We'll get to see if they look the same. So the first thing we're going to do is start with 2 blocks. So I've got 1 block, 2 blocks, 1 block, 2 blocks. We're going to start with our raw egg. So we're going to say, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Ooh, look, did my egg crack? Remember, this is our raw egg, so it's still soft. Look, it didn't crack from that high. That's pretty cool. Look, this is our boiled egg. Do you think this one will crack? Let's try it. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Ooh, look, neither one cracked, so we might need to go a little bit higher. This time, we're going to try it with 4 blocks. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to start with our raw egg. Here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Ooh, look. That one didn't crack either. Pretty cool. Let's try this one. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh man, I don't think our eggs are going to crack from that high up. Pretty cool. They're both a little too hard. So this time we're going to try doing it from way up tall with 8 blocks. Here we go. We better count and make sure we have the right number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, we were supposed to have 8. We better take one away. There we go. Okay, we're going to drop them off at the same time. Here we go. Holy smokes, look what happened. Did my raw egg crack? I don't know if you guys can see that. We better take the blocks off so you can look at it really close. Ooh, look, the top came off. Pretty nasty. And look, you can see that my egg cracked all over the place. I'll bring it up really close to the camera so you can see it. I don't want to drip it out onto the floor. Ooh, look at that. Can you see my gross egg at the bottom? Pretty cool. There it is. You can see the yellow yolk. But look what happened to my boiled egg. Ooh, it just cracked a little bit, so it's a little bit harder than my other egg. That might mean that it might not crack because it might be a little too hard. What if we do it from way up here? Do you think our boiled egg will crack and break open like the other one did? Let's try it. Here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Remember, this one's our raw egg and this one's our hard-boiled egg. Ooh, I'm gonna let you look. Ooh, look at our eggs. Look, you can see that the raw one cracked right open and our boiled egg is still all together. Look, it has some little cracks, but it's still mostly together. Pretty cool. Ooh, that experiment was super fun. Thanks for helping me. If you guys want to try it at home, you might be able to ask your mom and dad to help you boil an egg, and then you can see if you can drop it really high. Ooh, if you guys find a cool place to drop it, you can send me pictures of your egg and you might get a surprise in the mail. Don't forget to check it off on your star chart so you can get a prize in the mail and show me that you're doing cool science experiments too. Bye.